मुरगांवच्या आदर्श नगरार उदकाची पायपलायन बारीक आशिल्ल्यान लोकांच्या उदका खातीर हाल जातात. तातूंत वास्को वाडे हांगा उदक व्हरपा खातीर आदर्श नगराचेर आशिल्ल्या पायपलायनीक दुसरी लायन जोडपाचे प्रकार केल्ल्यान थळावे लोक चाळवल्यात. पायपलायन जोडपाचें कामय रातचेच काळखान चलतालें, देखून लोक आनीक चाळवल्यात. लोकांनी पायपलायन जोडपाचें काम चालू आशिल्ले थंय एकठांय जमोन काम करपी कामगारांक जाप विचारलो. पुलिशेक आफयता म्हूण सांगतकच कामगारांनी थंयच्यान पुज्ज्यो काडल्यो.
We found people digging the road on the side and tapping our main water pipeline. As it is, we do not get water in our buildings. And these people are taking the pipeline right down to Wade, which is across the hill right down, which Wade should have a separate water pipeline. This is from top Adarsh Nagar. So if they take this pipeline like this now they are doing the work at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and today they were doing the work at 7:30 at night. So we asked them, where are the permissions and who gave you all permission and what all? They said, we have all permission. But when we asked them, what about digging the road? Do you all have permission for digging the road from the collector? No. So at the moment then we said, we are going to complain to the police. They ran away. So we want to stop such type of illegal work being done at night, which affects all of us. And they're not taking it for somebody close by in the next building. It's across the hill going down that side, which is very, very, very wrong. And they shouldn't do such things.
Do you think that it is a PWD work or something?
If it's PWD, they should wait and show us their papers. No, why did they run away? PWD also, nobody remained here. The acting engineer or AE engineer, whoever, he should say and say, these are the permissions I got. What about digging the road? Do you get permission for digging the road? Digging the road, you need permission from South Goa. You cannot dig the road and spoil our roads. Look at the road. We cannot even cross. Yesterday, 2 people, ladies fell down here with the bike. It's very difficult to take the bike across. We are not sure if it's legal also. If it's legal, we need them to show us a plan, how they're doing it and who gave them the permission to do it and on what basis. Why should we suffer for somebody else's building when PWD doesn't do their own planning? PDA has to do their planning. If they give permission for building, they should see where the water supply is going to come, not tap somebody's line and just take it. We've been residents of this area for so many years. We're not here to suffer. Now we're all the senior citizens here. What are we going to do? Where are we going to run for water?
Proper water supply, and if for such a small pipe more connections are given, whether even if at all permission is there, whether the water will be sufficient for all the residents. And secondly, when the road is just done up, the hot mixing is just done up, so after hot mixing just done up, within few days you are digging back the road is a waste of public exchequer's money, and it is money belonging to all the people.